cap it all, to top it all, we request the person whose voice has a different air about it. An air that's unsurpassed, unparalleled, peerless. Say to my person.
My dear John Mohammed, I'm quite happy and pleased to be here, and I'm humbled by the words from Khan Sahab, Khalid Sahab, yourself and others. Kind words about me, because whatever I am a borrowed knowledge man. Whatever I have borrowed it, but I know how to use it. And everybody here is a dignitary to me, because whosoever can hear me is a dignitary for me. So it's not that some are, some are not. Everybody is a dignitary here. And we're talking about English here, English language, since this institution will be dealing with that very aspect. As John Mohammed had put it, people look beautiful until and unless they talk. This happens in every language, not English alone. People look good, they look smart, but they're mannerless in their language. And it hurts me most if somebody does not know how to talk. It's not that he does not know the language, he doesn't have the mannerisms of talking in that language. And Principal Sahab was speaking. I'm really grateful for the fascinating way he put things here for you people. I'll take another aspect of that, a rather different aspect of what Principal Sahab has said, related to this very language. Speaking comes from listening. That's what was the point was raised. Absolutely right. Speaking comes from listening. But the truth is, if you are learning here, you are learning and listening and going away, and you are not speaking the language. You will never learn the language. And then you go home and talk in English with your grandmother. Don't do that as well. That's not going to serve the purpose. Secondly, in case you speak English again in front of those people who get offended, don't do it. There's no need to offend people with anything, including language. But one thing you can do, each other, one another, you can talk in English. Don't be shy of that. Start speaking it. You may falter, stumble, fall, but you'll rise again. Don't worry about it. In case you are talking to each other in English, speaking normal English, that's what I'm saying. We have problem with great communicators also. They can read from paper. They can talk to people within certain parameters. You ask a question, they are gone because it's not written somewhere how to answer it. So you should be able to know the language and speak it just like speaking Kashmiri. It comes naturally to you. If you think in Kashmiri and Urdu and translate in English and speak, it takes too much of time, and then all the sentences do not gel at all. I'm saying that when you are idle at home, maybe there are better people who will teach you these things. You're thinking about something. Try thinking in English about that. How you will think about it? मैं स्कूल जाता हूँ, ये करूँगा, वो करूँगा. इंग्लिश में सोचिए ना, मैं क्या करूँगा इसको. How you will put those words in English in your mind. And when you will speak to certain people, these very words, don't be afraid. Don't be shy. If he corrects you or she corrects you, and the person is who can correct you, then take it, digest it. And there are people, I'll tell you, there are people in media, there are people who are very famous, who are very well known, they still call plumber a plumber. So please check it with the right person. That what's the right pronunciation of things while speaking. It's extremely important. And you listen to the right kind of people, you will come to know. You read everything you can get. Don't worry about it. But be selective about certain newspapers published in English in Kashmir. If you have to learn good English, don't make any of them an example. None of them is an example. Recently, for 7 days, in 3 newspapers, there was an advertisement about career development. And the headline was, "We make your career, C-A-R-I-E-R." Yeah, they had to add load carriers. And then the chairman of J&K Bank was the chief guest there. And he said all those good things. without saying what are you doing. You are calling yourself saying great and you do not know how to say career and carrier. So these things don't, I'm again saying people may get offended, I'm not bothered. Don't make any English newspaper of Kashmir an example for learning English. You have better newspapers coming from Delhi, from other places. They may also commit mistakes, don't worry. But here, they only commit mistakes. And the formation of sentences is using Urdu or Kashmiri language and putting them in English. No. You don't make sentences like, you don't have 7 commas and 2 apostrophes in a sentence. No. You make small sentences which make sense. So don't go by the newspapers only. So you can talk to people, consult people while selecting material for reading. But something you feel like reading Outlook, you feel like reading India Today, you feel like reading thrillers. Don't worry, thrillers will not harm you. They also have some basic science behind them, but from good authors. You can learn English there as well. Apart from that, there's a lot of science in them also. You can pick that also. And while learning the language, there are no quick fixes. Then after 15 days, you'll start asking them, मैं तो बोल ही नहीं रहा हूँ, आपने क्या किया? बोलने तुम्हें पूछ इनसे रहा है, आपने क्या किया? There are no quick fixes in learning language. As you move on, you keep on improving. But there are certain basics you will be picking up. There are certain things, certain rules, certain methods you will be adopting and learning from them. You know, this quick fix is a problem. Because I interact with hundreds and thousands of youth, honestly, not 20, 30, 100 here, no. They also interact with me. I'll tell you, everybody wants to skip, if there's a ladder with 10 steps, they want to skip 8 steps and go on 9th directly. This is a generation which wants shortcuts. But everything cannot be done in shortcuts. You are extremely, I tell you my talent, some good, intelligent, and somebody who can do something comes to me and says, "Sir, मैं उस जैसा बनना चाहता हूँ." मैं कहता हूँ तुम बन सकते हैं आप उस जैसे, पहले किसी की कॉपी बनना नहीं चाहिए. That's absolutely absurd. मगर आप किसी जैसा बनना चाहते हैं, आप बन सकते हैं. आप मेहनत करेंगे तो 6 महीने में बन जाएंगे. आप बड़े अक्लमंद हैं तो 5 महीने में बन जाएंगे. 2 में कभी नहीं बनेंगे. Don't be under this impression. That will not happen at all. So naturally, everything takes time. You will learn. So quick fix arrangements better be forgotten. It will be much better if you do that. And I started by saying about language, use of language. When I meet somebody, it happens with everybody, almost 99% of Kashmiris, with us. Somebody comes to my room, I कहूँगा आप तशरीफ रखिए, मेहरबानी करके बैठिए. मगर अंग्रेजी में मैं बोलूँगा sit down. It's an order. You're telling him to sit down. This language also has etiquettes and manners. Misnomer with people is that in English हाँ आप नहीं है, उर्दू में आप है, हर्ज नहीं है, वहाँ ऐसा कोई चक्कर नहीं है आपके पास. It reflects upon the language also. What kind of a language is it in which you address people like, you are dismissive, you are hurting their feelings? No need to do that. This language has many etiquettes. The time has come for you, as you will learn, to pick those etiquettes up and use those etiquettes while talking to teacher, talking to each other as well. And don't be shy. और आप सीखने आए हैं जबान, यहाँ ये नहीं कहना ये क्या बोलते हैं, हंसने लगे आप, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, आप उससे गए गुजरे, कोई मसला ऐसा नहीं है. वो आज बोलता है कल सीख जाएगा, आप नहीं बोलते हैं कभी नहीं सीखेंगे. और आप सवाल नहीं पूछेंगे तो कभी नहीं सीखेंगे. सवाल पूछा गलत था तो 5 मिनट बेवकूफ बन गए आप, नहीं पूछा तो जिंदगी भर बेवकूफ रहे. So better start asking questions.